For a decade now, people have wondered, often aloud, just what is the Humoctopus? First appearing in 2003, it was clear that this was no ordinary creature. A beast appearing to be half human, half octopus, and rumored to be the result of a genetic experiment gone terribly wrong.
We were messing around the primate lab one night when one of the research assistants dared me to add some octopus DNA into an Erlenmeyer flask that contained the embryo of a Lasula monkey. Of course, nothing happened. Or so we thought.
Several months after the failed experiment, reports of a creature began popping up around Madison. At first, these were dismissed as frat boy delusions or cases of mistaken identity with the wild boy of Picnic Point. Then bad things started happening. Geese disappeared from Lake Wingra. The donut shop on Regent Street was broken into late one night. All of the leftover donuts were missing. Everyone figured it was just some kids, but then they noticed the slime on the floor. Whatever it was, it couldn't be human. But in the slime there were footprints, so maybe it was human. The newspapers deemed it the Humoctopus. In an effort to determine if this Humoctopus creature could really exist, we visit the genetics department of the University of Wisconsin.
Professor Minkus.
Yes?
Have you heard the reports around Madison about this creature that's half human, half octopus? The result...
Are you talking about the Humoctopus thing? Because that's a bunch of...
So you're saying there's a chance it could be real?
No. What I'm saying is it's ridiculous. Now get out of here.
Not satisfied with a purely scientific opinion, we pay a visit to Professor of Literature James S. Miller.
So there have been reports around Madison of a half-human, half-octopus creature. Are you familiar with this?
Yes, very interesting. Very interesting indeed.
So do you think there's a chance it could be real? Because we met with the UW genetics department and they said it was a complete crock, that no such creature could exist.
Well, of course, I mean, there's a long list of animal-human hybrids throughout history. Look at the Minotaur, mermaids, the Sphinx, Grendel from Beowulf.
Yes, but aren't those in literature or mythology, not actual history?
Well, can any of us really ever know the difference?
So there you have it. An expert opinion adding to the legitimacy that the Humoctopus could, in fact, be among us. We learn that single-wire software has references to the Humoctopus in their Informacast advanced notification product. We pay them a visit.
Dr. Green, you have a Humoctopus message that ships with every copy of Informacast. Why?
Well, Informacast is for emergency notification, and our customers care about emergency notification for natural disasters like tornadoes, but also for man-made disasters like intruders.
So why the Humoctopus exactly?
Well, after the malicious mayhem that happened between the lakes of Monona and Mendota, we made up our minds to make it easy for our customers to notify their people about this most malevolent of monsters. After all, there's nothing more terrifying than a threat that's both human and man-made.
How do you know that it's both human and man-made?
Wait, what? I'm sorry, this interview is over.
This is a Humoctopus. I'm speaking to you from the future. Run for your lives, wretched humans. I will smash you all.